we recently did the Winter Classic 360 video for the NHL and NBC Sports, and the response was tremendous. We had over 850,000 views in 24 hours, over 60% engagement rate, and over 2 times their average views on video. So for us, we go out and show that to them and say, we're creating content that adds value to your traditional broadcast, and now you're bringing viewers from Facebook into your live broadcast. So now they're tuning into another element that they can see. We put this out live, or actually pseudo live during the game, so that they can start drawing people in off that audience. And then it continues the conversation online as well. But it's important to have content that fits with what you're trying to achieve. So for instance, with 360 video, just doing 360 video isn't enough. It needs to make sense for the product that you're trying to, put out to the public.
For a lot of brands, and what Time and Meredith does is they try to get ahead of the curve in terms of technology. And what we've been focused on as an organization starting back in 2016 is that we found the biggest barriers of entry for brands and marketers were essentially cost and understanding how to use the technology. Mm-hmm. And so what we've been focused on with our clients essentially is to drive positive ROI in a marketing standpoint. So while most people think new technologies are costly, we've been focused on institutionalizing augmented reality development with tools that allow brands, marketers, and agencies to create augmented reality experiences with very little cost, so they get to experiment.
So they don't need to build everything from scratch. You have the bases there for them.
Correct, yeah. Simple tool, build augmented reality experience, a few clicks, and then embed it into your application, you're off and running. And so you get the opportunity now for very little cost to try to develop augmented reality experiences. Then what we couple with that are specific vertical use cases for those. So are you a retailer? Are you a creative agency? What are those different use cases you can apply augmented reality to? So we take a lot of the math out of the equation for figuring out how to use augmented reality, and we take cost out of the equation.